Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the lock symbol light in a car. Alright, so let's begin. This is a common issue many drivers face, and it usually relates to your vehicle's security system. The lock symbol light on your dashboard, often shown as a red icon of a car with a key inside, indicates that the security system has been activated. Normally, this system helps protect your vehicle by triggering an alarm and locking the car if someone tries to break in. However, sometimes the light stays on even when you try to unlock the car and deactivate the system. So, in order to fix a lock symbol light that won't turn off, you have to follow these steps. First, check your key fob. A weak or dead battery inside the key fob is one of the most common causes of this issue. Open the key fob, replace the battery with a new one, and then try locking and unlocking your car again to see if the light turns off. If that doesn't work, the issue might be related to your car's main battery. A low or dead car battery can also trigger the security system light. Try charging the battery for a while, or if needed, disconnect the terminals when the car is off and reconnect them after a few minutes. In some cases, the battery may need to be replaced entirely. If the problem still continues, it could mean there is a deeper issue with the vehicle's security system. At that point, it's best to consult a professional mechanic or visit your car dealership for a proper inspection. And that's it. This is how you can fix the lock symbol light in a car. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.